Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. My name is Berfin. Today I will talk about the quality control in healthcare management. What is the meaning of quality? Quality in general terms means meeting and exceeding the customer expectations. In healthcare, the definition of customer and the criteria for the quality are complicated matters in comparison to the meaning of those terms in the industry. What is the healthcare quality? The degree to which health services for individuals and populations increase the likelihood of desired health outcomes and are consistent with the current professional knowledge. Health services are high quality, they are effective, safe, centered on the patient's needs and given in a timely fashion. What is the dimensions of quality? First one is effectiveness. Effectiveness means measures the desired effect. Efficiency means measures the cost of the input as compared with the cost elsewhere for same requirement, treatment or service. Acceptability means measures the how humanly and considerably the treatment or service is delivered. What does the patient think of it? What does an observant third party like his attendant think? To what extent does the treatment or service conform to patients' or public expectations, and how much are they utilizing it? The other one is access. Access means measures whether people get this treatment or service when they need it. Identifiable barriers like large distance to travel, inability to pay and waiting times also influence the access. The other one is acuity. Acuity means measures whether all groups of patients are being fairly treated compared to the others, or is there discrimination in who gets the service or treatment. Relevance means compares the treatment or service with the best that could be achieved, taking account the needs and wants of the population. There are three aspects of quality. First one is structural. Structural quality refers to whether appropriate resources are in the place to provide the health care of a minimum standard. For example, personnel trained for their task, well-maintained equipment and buildings, a regular drug supply. The process quality generally refers to activity occurring during the interaction between the health systems and the clients. For example, whether good quality care is actually delivered. The other one is outcome. Outcome quality, in addition to health status, can include the patient satisfaction and perceived quality. The structure inputs components of the healthcare systems, like number of health centers, the number of beds in the health center, the ratio of the number of nurses and doctors to the number of the beds in a center, the presence of laboratory X-ray machine. The process of healthcare are those things which are delivered to individuals in specific clinical certificates, such as prescription of certain medication, conduct of diagnostic tests, and therapeutic procedures. Outcomes refer to health status such as recovery, death, disability, improvements in a functional status. Measuring the outcomes appears logically to be the best measure of the quality of healthcare, but there are serious limitations. These are the scientific studies on quality. Deming, Crosby, Joran, Evedis Donabedian. Donabedian is often considered the modern founder and leader of the quality field. P-chart. The proportion of defects in a process can be monitored using a P-chart that has binomial distribution as its theoretical base. The center of P-chart represents the average for defects, and lower confidence level and upper confidence level are calculated as. If average proportion of defect is not known, then the sample average for the proportion of defects P can be used, and the above formulas can be rewritten for sample proportion S, like this. Let's look at this example. The indicator family satisfaction, which is part of the National Hospice and Palliative Care Organization survey, reflects the percentage of respondents who would not recommend the hospice service to others. The following data are from Holistic Care Corporation's completed surveys from 200 families each month during a year, showing the number of respondents each month who expressed dissatisfaction with the organization's services. The manager in charge of quality wishes to construct a control chart for these data within 95.5% confidence intervals. First, we need to estimate the proportion mean. What is the proportion mean? Is equal to total number of quality infraction over the number of observed. The total number of quality infraction is equal to 192 over total number of observed means 200 families each month during a year. That's why we write like this: 12.200 is equal to 0.08. Since the Z value for the 95.5% confidence level is equal to 2, using the formulas, and then we obtain upper confidence level is equal to 0.118, lower confidence level is equal to 0.042. We learned to find Z value from the table in the last term.